Moikka! Tervetuloa mun kanavalleni. Kiva kun olet täällä. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Sisu Swan, a 49-year-old adult ballerina from Finland. This video is about the classical ballet exercise called Fondu. It is a very fundamental movement in the classical ballet, and it also demonstrates very well the progress and development in the body, because it has pliés, relevés, coup de pliés, body alignment, strength, extensions, everything. So let's move on. This first video has been taken in November 2018, when I started classical ballet as a hobby. And here again I can see lots of things to be corrected or improved. However, I'm not going to be my ballet teacher giving myself corrections, but rather I will point out some matters that are positive or promising instead. And this next video clip is a couple of months after the first one, and perhaps you can see some development between these two clips, but I have to say that there isn't that much progress yet. And I think that it is also good to see that and witness that, because at least based on my own experience, making progress in classical ballet is very slow. So it doesn't happen within weeks or months, but it is a slow process. But when you are consistent with the exercises and put in the effort and make every class the best class with intention and focus, then yes, those classes and the exercises, they will give you the progress that you're waiting for. Now we are in May 2019, and at least I can see that something has improved quite a lot. So now when you look at my body, it is more stable. I am actually able to keep the turnout both in the supporting leg and also in the working leg. Now we are in July 2022, so a couple of years have gone by. And perhaps you can see that the movements are again more consistent. There is clarity. My supporting side is not wiggling around as much. And at least to myself, it seems that my arms and my legs are more coordinated. It is starting to look like a ballet a little bit. And also I'm able to lift my working leg a little bit higher. I have to say that the angle of the camera is such that it seems that my working leg would be above 90 degrees, but it is not. It is not. I didn't have the strength to lift it above 90 degrees at this stage, at least not in a clean way. I would twist my body a lot. Next, we are in February 2023. You may perhaps recognize this image. This is the video clip of which I took the photograph for my channel. And the reason why I took it from this video clip is that the arms and the legs are nicely coordinated, and the movement is quite clean. There isn't any unnecessary wiggling or looking around. The whole package is quite nicely controlled. I'm also more musical at this stage. When you're looking at my my movements, you can pretty much hear the music in the background, how the music is flowing when I'm doing the exercise. So I think that is nice and also very important if you're actually trying to learn how to dance classical ballet. And the attitude, a tiny balance there. Now again, a couple of months have gone by and we are in May 2023. And as you can see, there hasn't been that much progress, if any. So developing this wonderful skill of dancing classical ballet, it takes time. It doesn't happen within weeks or months. It takes constant effort and exercise and practice and lots of patience. But slowly you will get there. Things will improve. At this stage, I can see that my head movements and my arms are even more controlled and intentional. I'm not looking around when I'm not supposed to look around, and everything is done with a purpose, which I think is very nice. But still, at this stage, if you can notice it, I am looking at my hands. I'm looking at my hands, and that also makes my upper body collapse down a little bit while I'm doing the movements. Now we are in May 2025, and as I mentioned in my rond de jambe video, this is a time when I had changed my ballet studio, ballet classes, and my ballet teacher. And this has also had an effect on my dancing style, and I think it has improved my technique quite a lot. The first thing that I can see compared to the previous years is that, again, my body position is more straight. I'm standing upright and my energy is up and out. So if you compared these Fondus to the previous ones, I am actually moving up from the ground and pushing myself up. But in the previous videos, the energy was more going down in a sense. I was down and then I went briefly up and I went back down. And here the energy is more like I'm up, I go briefly down and back up, if that makes any sense. And also, I'm not looking at my hands. So this new teacher has taught me that I shouldn't look at my hands, the palms of my hands, but I should look above them to the direction of the audience. This is the last clip. This has been taken in February 2026, so a couple of weeks ago. And here again, you can see the energy, which is up. When you go down, you just visit down and then you go back up. And that is a big difference with the previous videos. And this requires a lot of strength in the body so that you're actually able to keep yourself up, and when you're going down, to do it in a very controlled way. What I also like in this video is that my demi point has developed. You can see that it is quite high. And I can say that when I started classical ballet, I did not have a high demi point. I have worked a lot to get it there. And also, if you look at the supporting side and the foot of the supporting side, I'm using my turnout to adjust my heel back front when I'm coming down from the releve, which is very good. It takes a lot of strength, but it also makes it look better, cleaner, and helps you to keep the turnout in place. So that was my Fondu journey, beginning in 2018 and extending until February 2026. I hope that this video gives you inspiration and reassurance that yes, it is possible to make progress in this wonderful hobby of classical ballet. It just takes some time, effort, hard work, and lots of patience. But yes, it is possible. I thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.